Number 22. Some of the workers who resent the supervisor's authority would probably feel uncomfortable if they were to acquire the independence that they demand. Now, let's see if there's a problem here. Some of the workers who resent. Well, resent is a plural verb, they resent, as opposed to he resents, and it's referring to workers, which is plural, and it's describing the correct case, some of the workers who resent the supervisor's authority in the present tense, so that's fine. Would probably feel uncomfortable if. So would probably is a hypothetical, is a conditional, and it is part of a conditional thought. If something happened, then they would feel something, so that's fine. Similarly, if is fine. We use if, at least in SAT land, only in an if-then thought. If this happens, then that happens, which is the case here. If they were to acquire the independence they demand, then some of the workers who resent the supervisor's authority would probably feel uncomfortable, so it's absolutely fine. If they were to acquire the independence that they demand. That they demand in the present tense, but it's the idea of it, right? The independence they demand. You could say that they're demanding, but they demand is fine as well. There's actually no error. As we start to get to the more, the ones thought of as more difficult in the error identification, this is a little bit early for that, but like 24 through 29, there are often some no errors that are a little bit complicated in the whole sentence structure, and they're hoping, that's me trying to highlight this, they're hoping that you think that something is wrong. But in this case, there's nothing wrong. Let me read it again and see if you can hear it. Some of the workers who resent the supervisor's authority would probably feel uncomfortable if they were to acquire the independence that they demand. No error.